Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete a comment or delete a message in OnlyFans. So what you want to do is when you're in OnlyFans, you want to like show comments here, and let's just write here like, I don't know, hey there, that's a nice Canon from SC2, and like, oh no, I want to delete this message. So what you want to do is like, you got these three dots here under it and just press delete, and this is the same as message, just these three dots here and delete the message, and voila, I'm going to delete this one too. This is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. Like, what is this even? Like, why would anyone use this? It's like Instagram. Have a great day and goodbye.